this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice velocity blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with a tow and haul package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get this nice tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera, with mud flaps on the rear. We have a nice script running board with chrome accents along this vehicle, which makes the blue pop. Side view camera, turn light indicated, blind spot detection, mud flaps on the front. We got a nice black hood deflector, front park sensing, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpet interior. We do get rear vents, cup holders, 12-volt, USB, USB-C, and 120-volt. And of course you can lift up the seats for a split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. We have our lights, spotlights, lights, auto stop, auto start, and parking brake all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 63.9 kilometers. We do get this leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we have My View, Trip and Feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we get tons of storage, cup holders, storage here with some outlets. You do get some nice storage in your center console with rear locking diff, drive modes, four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, heated front seats with dual climate, 12-volt and 120, storage above and below, storage right here, and above me we do have our features for our rear window opener, which is pretty handy. And here we have our park assist, hazards, traction, and 360 view of your vehicle. Looking here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls, your navigation, fave apps, such as messaging, email, sound, setting, all that jazz. Apps in general, or any apps you've downloaded, show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KD45879, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.